So in-floor cleaning systems started out here in Arizona, primarily from a couple pool builders here. It was about back in the mid 70s. And the whole reason of coming out with in-floor cleaning system, first of all, pool cleaners in general, cleaning systems were pressure side cleaners, which basically means it was coming after the filter on the return side. At one time they had whips. They actually had whips on the side of the pool that would whip and kind of clean the pool. And then they also had what's called an Arneson pool sweep, which was similar to whips, but it would actually kind of move around, so it would rove around a little bit. And there were some builders here that thought it'd be a better way of getting basically the dirt that's in the bottom of the pool in suspension. So the idea was to have basically returns on the floor, which eventually became pop-ups. But initially they were stationary heads, and then on the inside of it, they actually rotated, 360 degrees. And then down the road, our company, A&A, first we did have a turbo clean system that did the stationary. And over time, people realized that they wanted to basically enjoy their pool rather than endure it. And they thought it'd be a better idea to actually have the heads that actually rotate and pop up and down as well. And that's where the terminology pop-up really came from. And that was our style one head. And then ever since then, in-floor has obviously, with technology and whatnot, gotten even better, primarily with drains and with the in-floor heads, with Venturi skimmers. Now technology with basically variable speed pumps, they work a lot better. You're able to dial things down. We have Venturi cleaning heads. So there's all these different products, but it all started out pretty much the idea is to get the dirt in suspension and then get it to the main drain. And like I said, with the new drains and the new heads, new skimmers, the cleaning systems work better than they ever have before.